Ah, crap. Got my sunnies again. Every time. Forgetting the sunnies. Yeah, something small. Okay, we've got something here, but what is it? It's a question. We've got something here. Hopefully it's dragging me away from the slop I'm in. Oh, here it comes, coming up. Definitely a snap. I don't want to go too much on it. Definitely decent though. I'd say it's probably 10-poundish snap. Loosen off a bit now because we don't want to lose it. Grab that sitting on the bottom. So, loosen him off a bit more again. She's definitely shitty conditions at the moment though. Oh, you far out! Oh no, is it still there? Oh, what? I lost it then. Fuck, it got me off on the reef or something. Damn it. It's bit me through, or I don't know. Could have been a shark. That sucks, guys. That was a good fish too. Guys, conditions have got a bit treacherous. Whoa! Fucking hell. Might have to head in a bit. Because she's blowing an easterly. With insanity. A rest on the beach, guys, see if it calms down a little bit. Because it is pretty windy. I'm busting for a piss anyway, so let's go. You'll get it. Here comes one. Woo! Look out for this one, Shane. Oh no. Fuck, maybe this wasn't such a good idea. Oh. Think you're right, mate, send it. Woo! Oh, if there's any rocks in this. Oh, there's a rock right there. Oh, bloody rocks, eh? A bit rocky there. Getting dry. The man himself got it going, not me. Dry off a little bit and oh, where am I? Oh, that's just the steam. I thought my pants were smoking.
I'm on fire. Running for the water.
Hey?
Water's not far away if you're on fire, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Bon appetit. I'll have the first taste. Oh, it's pretty hot. We might have to let it cool down. Yum.
It's alright.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
So you cook fish, guys, you just throw it on the fire.
Just the whole thing on the fire.
LoveOutdoorsNZ.
Oh, there's a bit of blood there even.
No prep required.
That's pretty good.
Oh, no way! What the hell? Oh. Playing with the coweye though, guys, when the fishing's slow. Get something. Big size cowboys. Take a tuck it. Hey guys, take two, here we go. In the fishing comp, I think I'm beating Shane. 2 carwide to 1. Okay. Oh.
I think it's on camera.
Oh, it's not on camera? No evidence. It's not proven. That was a 20, that one, yeah. Just thought I'd do the right thing and let it go. Looks like Shane has just stolen a snapper from under my feet. A carwat.
Go bro, start recording. Oh, I might do that.
Pulling you along. Sleigh ride. Well. That's a snap, I think. The car wire, was it? Oh! Camp for the night. This is what you call living. Except I got outdone on the fishing front once again.
Sorry I stole your fish, man.
Yeah. Basically moved from where I was and he stole my 20-pounder.
Guilty. Sorry, not sorry.
Nah, truth is it would have got off on me somehow. I always drop the good fish. Hook.
Messages from my daughter.
Hook 'em but can't land 'em.
Did I?